So we're on the first stop of our trip, Cadiz, Spain. Currently at a little breakfast spot, get my fuel in for the day. We're about, I want to say, 2-3 blocks away from the water where we're going to spend most of our time. We're going to try to get in a little workout, you know, got to enjoy ourselves out here, but at the same time, got to stay fit. You already know what I like to do. Right now I'm eating a ham and cheese sandwich, incredible. This as well, I don't know what it is. I believe it's some sort of pastry with raisins, but that's fire. A bit about life experiences that I've definitely realized as I've become more self-aware of who I am in life is that, you know, I wouldn't say sheltered growing up. I do think most Portuguese parents try to keep their family really tight. They try to make sure that their children can't be harmed by the outside world. Obviously, me being who I am, I kind of always try to fight that. And at 18, I started traveling, started going to different states, competing in gaming tournaments. I got to go to England, I got to go to Germany. So I've kind of just learned that shelter that my family tried to keep me in is the values and all that stuff are still there with me. Like, family to me at the end of the day is super important. But traveling has just allowed me to see the different perspectives, different cultures of different people, and kind of build my own philosophy in life. Finally made it to the beach. I was thinking about doing a workout on the sand, but it looks like we got some fun little things over here. We got a little jungle gym. So what I'm looking to do is it's gonna be a little flow. It's gonna be about 5 rounds of 6 to 8 pull-ups, immediately followed by 10 to 12 dips. And then I'm gonna take probably a 10-20 second break and repeat that 5 straight times. After that, I'm gonna close it out with some abs, and I'm also gonna grab the pull-up bars once again and do a couple of leg raises. Start with pull-ups. I'm gonna wanna keep my rib cage down, focus really on my scapula, have my legs pointed forward as you see, so I focus more on my back. I'm gonna try to bang out 6 to 8 of these every single time. Next up, we got some dips. Gonna be really focusing on the triceps. Again, gonna keep that rib cage down, really focus on keeping my shoulders and scapula back while keeping them nice and extended. I'm gonna try to keep my spine straight the entire time. I don't wanna look down, I don't wanna look up. I want that perfect alignment in my spine. Our next move is the leg raise. I'm gonna keep that core engaged. Again, keep my rib cage down, scapula back. I'm gonna start my legs down, bring them up to a 90-degree angle, and slowly drop them down. Workout complete. Now, for the most part, I'm a huge fan of weightlifting. Strength training is what I specialize in, functional training. But when I'm on vacation like this, I'm on the road, I always like to get a quick pop in, no matter what. I like to call it BAM, bare ass minima. That's what I just did today. Now we're right on the beach, gonna enjoy ourselves, head to one of the bars down the street, hydrate up because this guy forgot his water. Portugal. Oh my God, it looks pretty good. Gracias. Oh my God. So we're going in for the first time. This is a tradition out here, or one of their favorites. Now, the sardines, I know you could, when they're this small, you could actually eat everything, and even the bones. So I'm just gonna go for it like I would eat a sardine. They do it right out here. Got a little beach bar, eating panqueros. Incredible. America, take notes, man. This has to be an appetizer back at home. It's wild. And just in case I didn't enjoy the panqueros, there is always the smart thing to do and play it safe and get something that you do like. And we got a nice hamburger on the side. Made it to Gibraltar, UK. It is a British territory. Pretty exciting stuff. Currently at the Botanical Gardens, enjoying the views. It is just incredible out here. I mean, the entire trip has been amazing. So in Gibraltar, it's kind of a change of pace from Portugal and Spain. There are English-speaking people out here, or a lot more English-speaking people. So For me, I've been in Europe since May 24th. It's almost been about 3 weeks now. So to kind of get back into that westernized familiarity community is feeling pretty nice. There's some exciting things that I'm looking really forward to continue exploring out here. Got to definitely check out the Gibraltar Rock. That is the main purpose and main goal that I came out here for. Quite possibly the best thing I smelled in a long time. I've recently dived into the world of essential oils and a diffuser in my room. I will have to figure out what this flower is, because if there's an essential oil, I need that. I need that indeed. So my family actually has allergies, specifically my mom's side. Specifically my mom. And I've just recently found out that I actually have been allergic to pollen throughout my life. I just didn't know what the symptoms were until about 2 weeks on this vacation. So I probably shouldn't be putting my nostril in there, but that one doesn't smell like anything, so I think we're safe. So we're heading up right now. We just learned that 7:45 is the last cart up and down. So if we miss that, it's about an hour walk down apparently. A friend said as well, could be quicker depending how fast you want to come down. A little joke, but I'm pretty excited. Hopefully we don't miss it, but I actually don't mind walking down because I feel like we'd be able to find a couple more things, which would be cool. And what a view.